Hey guys, I just wanted to go over a few safety features that we have in an RAL home. You're inside my home, Eden Estates, right now. So something that you'll find in my rooms is 3 different safety features for the resident themselves. First, every resident wears a call button, so this would just be around their neck. If they ever needed help, they would just press this button and it would alert the caregivers that somebody needs help. They're also by number, so each resident, they know, hey, if number 2 goes off, then Miss Linda would need help and assistance. In addition to that, inside their rooms, maybe they are in a point where they can no longer use the call button or forget that they have it on, which has happened. We also have a bell right here, and then a baby monitor that we keep on every nightstand in the room. And what that does is it goes to a cluster in the kitchen. So if this resident can't reach this button, they can't reach the bell, all they have to do is ask for help, and the caregivers would know that this resident needed assistance. A few other safety features that you would have is we have fire suppression, so that's going to be throughout the house. And then every bedroom also has a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. And then right outside this room, you'll notice that there's a fire extinguisher. That's there. There's 2 in the house, so that's there just in case we had some traumatic issue where there was a fire. They can go ahead and use that to start dampening those flames. On top of that, actually, while we're on the item of safety features, there's 2 other devices I would like to show you. So the first one is going to be this device. Now, not every state allows you to have this in your home, so you'd have to check with your state regs. This is called a Hoyer lift. So this is for someone that can no longer ambulate, which is get up and walk themselves, or have they're no longer weight bearing. This device actually picks them up, and then we can put them in bed, we can put them in the recliner, whatever they need. It also assists if a resident was to fall on the floor and needed assistance back up. It's a safe way to get the resident back up off the floor and back into bed. The last safety feature I'd want to show you guys in regards to mobility is going to be a device called a Sarasetti. So this device is a sit-to-stand wheelchair. I have a few other videos on this one. Essentially what would happen is if a resident was in bed over here, this would slide in, the resident could put their feet on it, the caregivers would lock the wheels, and then they would help them stand up, and then these go behind their butt, and then the caregivers can zoom them around the house. So that's most of the safety features we have here.